Alright guys, in this video you're gonna see me riding my bike with Randy, and you're gonna see this really cool thing back here that is gonna be fantastic. We're gonna be riding through the dirt road, we're gonna be riding through some scenery, and we're gonna be doing some cool things. Make sure you watch the entire video. I'm gonna give you a little preview right here. Yeah, very cool place. Alright my friends, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Check it out. If you haven't seen the first part of this video, I'll link it down below. This is going to be part 2. Me and my boy Randy right in front of me going for a little ride. First part, I was just talking about hurricanes, and you know, there was a hurricane that was supposed to be, you know, hitting us. I was sharing some things about that, as well as checking out this ride that is just gorgeous. I mean, the things that we're seeing here, the beautiful houses that we're seeing, and the scenery that you're about to see. Look at this. It's just so amazing. Unfortunately, on the first ride, my second camera, which I got mounted to my bars, was not working. And it was a pain in the butt. It kind of froze up, and I wasn't going to stop. You know, you're already riding, and you know, you guys know the deal. I wasn't going to stop to fix, you know, second camera. I got my first camera right here, but it looks like it's working right now. So maybe we get to record some pretty scenery and all that stuff for you guys. Anyways, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I post videos. I've been doing a lot of video vlogs and things like that. Primarily, that's what I do, just sharing some of my rides with you guys, and you know, sharing some opinions and things like that. And I'm enjoying it very much. So if you're enjoying the videos, definitely let me know down in the comment section below. That was a nice bump right there. Man, there are signs everywhere. Apparently elections are coming up. You gotta vote. I'm gonna be voting. Me and my wife, obviously, we are going to be voting as well. So we're gonna take this road right here, and we're gonna go to a little creek that it is someplace in here. I don't know where, but someplace in the way there's gonna be a little creek, and they're just fun to do. You know, I like to take my family and go for walks. So we show up here, we take a little walk, and we enjoy. It doesn't cost us any money. Obviously, the only bad things, I guess, in a way, is that, you know, there's mosquitoes, and it could be snakes and things like that. So you got to be careful with that, especially if you got little kids with the mosquitoes and all that. But overall, it's just a fantastic thing to do. You know, you get a little bit of exercise, which we know is just something that is important, which I haven't been doing much since I left the military. Apparently, I forgot about the fact that a little bit of exercise is important, because I barely do any exercise. That's horrible on my part. But I'm starting to pick it up. You know, I dropped 20 pounds in the last few months. I dropped a little bit over 20 pounds, I think, by now. Right now, I'm in a strict diet. I wanted to go out and eat, or I thought about it with Randy, just go and get something to eat. But the reality is that we didn't, because I'm in a diet. I'm actually counting my calories, and I'm using an app that I may share with you guys at one point. It sounds to be pretty decent. In the past, I used my Fitness Pal, whatever it is. I also used one called My Plate, and that was pretty nice. And now I'm using another one that it seems to be working fine. And I'm going to tell you, big shout out to my wife, because she prepares my meal, she counts the calorie, and she is helping me a lot. I started about 280 plus. I'm 260.4 this morning. So again, you know, I dropped over 20 pounds, and you know, I'm hoping to continue to go down all the way to the 230s. I'll be pretty happy if I get to the 230s, right? Keep in mind, guys, when I was in the Marines, I was 210, 205, so I did gain like 70 pounds, something like that, which is quite frankly embarrassing and really bad. And because of that, you know, the doctor told me I have high cholesterol and I need to really lose weight. All right, we're entering this beautiful place right here with the second camera. Hopefully I get better footage than I did the other day. Hopefully it's a little bit better, because the angle that I have here on my GoPro. So let's check it out. Wow, it's getting pretty bad. I guess we took the wrong spot. Horrible. Just horrible U-turn. One thing that you got to remember is that you got to look where you're going. And I did that. That was a horrible U-turn. Hey, but at least we get to ride through this again. I'm going to tell you, since I got this barge and since I've been putting quite a good amount of mileage on this bike already, I probably got a good 5,000 miles on the Road King so far. And I'm going to tell you, I'm enjoying it very much and I'm getting so used to it, and I'm building that saddle time. And essentially, you know, it has been years since I had a motorcycle, a lot of years. And what happened to me was that because of that many years, when I started riding again, I was in a lot of pain. It feels like I was using muscles that I don't get to use no more. Really, I don't. And again, you know, by just riding and putting that saddle time, like I say, I got probably 5,000 miles on the bike already. Is again, you know, I'm building that resistant to the saddle and I'm able to ride a little bit longer. Before, 20 minutes was just killing me, completely killing me. Now I could be in the bike for quite a good amount of time, you know, a good hour. And again, you know, it's not like I'm not in pain, but at least I'm not dying like I was before. We did pass it, but you know what? It's okay because that's pretty cool back there. Obviously, the water is like really close to the road, so I could just see any floating or anything like that. This road would be completely submerged, which is definitely not a good thing when it comes down to a motorcycle. Man, I've seen this guys like 3 times already. They're just having a great time. All right, this is the place right here. Tacoma Outpost. We weren't planning to come here. We really weren't. But you know what? We decided to check it out.
Look at this lady hit a puddle and just got me. Look at that. Got me super. Just super. I'm gonna record my bike. Looks pretty right there. Yeah. Look at that bad boy. Man, looks really nice right there. You don't need to buy a brand new Road King. 2005 would do it. All right, we're checking out this park here with Randy. What is it called? Tacoma? Tomoka State Park. Look at Randy's bike back there. My bike is parked right back there.
Alright, we're moving to a different spot. Trying to find some statues that are around here somewhere. Some camping areas right there. See, camping area. Wow, this place is big, man. I think my fuel light is on as well, so I'm gonna have to be finding some gas pretty soon. What is this right here? Alright, picnic and fishing area. Pretty nice bump right there. What are we doing with Harleys back here through this dirt road? I don't know. It is what it is. I think this is the place that Randy was talking about.
Wow. This is pretty cool, dude. And you know what's crazy? I didn't even know this thing was here. Most people don't, man, because most people really don't spend time visiting around. People want to go and travel to different states and stuff like that when it's really cool things all over your, you know, neighborhood and surroundings or whatever, you know? Wow, dude. Dude, this thing is massive, man.
Yeah, I guess that when they went to refurbish it or whatever, that's when they put the blocks in behind it to hold it up.
Oh, okay, got it, got it. So initially didn't have those blocks.
No, it was all clay and cocaine.
Wow. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Let us know what you think down in the comment section below. And as always, God is in control.